Alright guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is Gavash, your solo GS rider. We are actually in Bastrop, Texas this morning. We left the Katy early 7 o'clock in the morning and we are going to the there is a place near Bastrop Northwest. It's called the Hamiltonpool Reserve, so that's where we're planning on going. So this is my friend Tarek. I met him and we decided let's just go quick, and perfect timing, great weather, and as always, getting a company from Tarek is always fun. So with that being said, guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you happen to be a very first time, subscribe, comment, like, share, and as always I say, do whatever you want to do. And for now, nothing much on today's ride. Weather is about 60 Fahrenheit. I just didn't want to record early morning because it doesn't make sense to record the same route and all the time. So I wanted to show you guys something different. So I just turned my GoPro on when we came to Bastrop, Texas. Here it's winter here. It's you can see all the trees have started to dry out here. This is in Texas, so of course not true winter like a northeast or anything. Yeah, look at that. There is a fire in the state park here in Bastrop. Wow. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna ride all the way to, there is a really good place that I haven't been to. It's called the Hamiltonpool Reservation. It's a nice small lake. Of course, we're not eating out in the restaurants or anywhere. We had our food with us, so we're just gonna eat out there. But for now, it's just a highway. It's just like this, nothing crazy. It's 71, and then we're gonna jump onto Highway 21. So guys, I will meet you guys shortly after the break and show you as I go along on the highway. I know you guys probably might be thinking I haven't made any video since I came back from my Arizona trip about 3-4 weeks ago, but I didn't go anywhere after I came back from Arizona. I was just home with my family and just spend some time with them. So now I'm just getting back into my weekly or bi-weekly videos, and as always explore some new places that I haven't seen around here in Texas. This small little town is Kyle, Texas. One thing I like about all this town is just a nice looking town, and during the Christmas time, if you come here on these small towns here, they have really good Christmas lights up, like you can see right here, Christmas tree and all the lights, and look at this tree. So it's kind of nice to see. This is not good. I'm stuck behind the big oversized load 18-wheeler truck. All right, we are here at the Hamiltonpool Reservations. So let's see. Okay, so we have to pay fee here. Let's see. Okay, so we just paid and now we're just going into the park.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the crack.
And one thing I came to know is I asked at the counter to see if I can go to the reservation pool, which is like a nice nice water and all that you can actually see. The answer was no, because it's by reservations only. So okay, lady, go slow. It's only 25 miles and that car was just flying. But this is good twisties. Now I'm speeding up, which I shouldn't do because it's a park. Yeah, so we're just gonna sit here at the picnic tables and have some good time. This more looks like a Bastrop State Park, but yeah, it's bigger than Bastrop. Ooh.
Want to take that road down to the river? Check that out?
Yeah. You want to do that?
Yeah, before we decide.
Yeah.
I think that road will take us to the river.
Okay, let's do. Just straight, right?
What's that?
We were going straight, right, on that?
Yeah. I think it's a left at the stop sign.
Okay. Nice road by the river. That's actually fun. More fun eating right by the river. North Bank. This is nice roads. Nice view. I think this can go take us down to the river. Perfect timing. Okay, we are here somewhere in the middle of nowhere. The place is right here in northwest of Austin, Texas. It's called the Hamiltonpool reservations. We could eat the lunch right here, but this is the place, guys. It's just there's a river somewhere here where we're gonna go. So we'll see. Let's see. Yeah, there's nothing here. I think we took the wrong trail. Maybe.
Go back, go the other way.
The other people that came with in a car,
Yeah.
they went different directions, right?
I don't know.
Yeah. I think so. As long as no snow. No snake, I mean. We're good. Okay guys, so we are done here. This is a beautiful place. It's the Hamilton Pool reserve area. Unfortunately we didn't get to go to the reserve because of the COVID. It's reservations only, so we did not get to see that, but we kind of sat here somewhere on a lookout view and we ate lunch and had a good time. So now we're heading back on the road.